Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to change the password on your Canva account. So if you have a Canva app and you want to change the password, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up Canva. Now in the Canva app, go ahead and tap on the three lines at the top left, then tap on your account. Now tap on settings. Now on the left hand side, tap on the three lines again, then tap on login. Here you want to go ahead and find the password section. So to add a password to your account for the first time, you'll need to use the password reset page. So tap on this, go ahead and enter in your email address, tap continue. Now you'll get a code in your email. So go ahead and open up your email, enter in the code. Now you can go ahead and change your password. So you can go ahead and add a new password and then confirm the new password again. And that's it. That's how to change your password on Canva.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.